This is it. Let's think about the numbers we have here. The 2 in front represents a stretch because remember there is no amplitude with tangent or cotangent. So our stretch is going to be 2. So instead of going down 1, right 1, we're going to go down 2, right 1. Also have the plus pi over 4 in parentheses. That represents shift to the left pi over 4 units. Now, the period doesn't change at all, so our period is still going to be pi. So let's mark off every half of a period. So we'll have pi over 2, 1 full pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. We'll go negative as well. Negative pi over 2, negative pi, negative 3 pi over 2, and negative 2 pi. So remember, we typically had an asymptote at 0 and pi and 2 pi. The only way that changes is, well, first of all, if the period changes, it would be at a different number than pi. It could be. But also with a horizontal shift. We're shifting to the left 1/4 of pi, which according to our scale, 2 places is half a pi. So one little box would be 1/4 of pi. So we're going to scooch everything over one line on our graph, and that will be 1/4 pi. So the asymptote that was at 0 is now going to be at negative pi over 4. And that will repeat every pi because that is our period. So that's 4 spaces on our graph. And that'll go positive as well. So those are all our asymptotes. We'll find our center. We don't have a vertical shift at all. So right in the center between the 2 asymptotes would be here. And remember, we would usually go down 1 and right 1, but because of the stretch there, we're going to go down 2 and right 1. We could also go up 2 and left 1. Woo! Cool. Make sure you fill out some more cycles. So over here, find your center, go down 2 right 1, up 2 left 1, find your center, find your center. What am I at? Yoga? I was pretty proud of that one, actually. I know I was doing a sarcastic laugh, but I thought that was a pretty solid joke. Okay, let's talk domain and range. Domain, all real numbers, except we pick one of the asymptotes. So we could pick negative pi over 4. We could pick 3 pi over 4. It doesn't matter. Let's say we pick 3 pi over 4, because there's an asymptote there. Plus, the period is pi. We just have k times pi, where k is an integer. Range, all real numbers. That's it, guys. Now we've graphed all 6 of the trigonometric functions.